Hello everyone, myself Thoukeerahmed ARALIMATTI of class 7th B, roll number 113, USN 2BL17CV 106, here to present about the trickling filters of municipal and industrial wastewater engineering subject. So, what are trickling filters? Trickling filters, or we can say TFs, are used to remove organic matter from wastewater. The TF is an aerobic treatment system that utilizes microorganisms attached to a medium to remove organic matter from wastewater. This type of system is common to a number of technologies such as rotating biological contractors or packed bed reactors such as biowaters. These systems are known as attached growth processes. In contract in contrast, systems in which microorganisms are sustained in a liquid are known as suspended growth process. Applicability. So the question arises where we can apply these trickling filters. Trickling filters enable organic material in which wastewater to be absorbed by a pollution of microorganisms like aerobic, anaerobic, and facultative bacteria like fungi, algae, and protozoa attached to a medium as a biological film or a slime layer. Like we can say approximately it will be of about 0.1 to 0.2 mm thick. As the wastewater flows over the medium of microorganisms, like their microorganisms already in the water gradually attach themselves to the rock, slag, or plastic surface and form a film. Okay, so the organic material is then degraded by the aerobic microorganisms in the outer part of the slime layer. As the layer thickens through microbial growth, oxygen cannot penetrate the medium phase and the anaerobic organisms develop. As a biological film continues to grow, the microorganisms near the surface lose the ability to cling to the medium and a portion of a slime layer falls off the filter. This process is known as slogging. The sludged solids are picked up by the undrained system and transported to a clarifier for removal from the wastewater. So here we comes to the advantages and disadvantages of the trickling filters. So first let us check the advantages. Advantages of trickling filters are those like it is simple, reliable, it is biological process. It is suitable in areas where large tract of land are not available for large land intensive treatment systems. Like we can say in less amount of land we can use this system, so may qualify for it may qualify for equivalent secondary discharge standards. And again the more advantages of it are like it's effective in treating high concentrations of organics depending on the type of medium used, appropriate for small to medium sized communities, rapidly used soluble BOD5 in applied wastewater, efficient nitrification units, durable process elements, low power requirement, moderate low level of skill and technical expertise needed to manage and operate the system. Like we do not need much skilled and technical expertise to manage this trickling filters. But like there is nothing in this universe which doesn't has its disadvantages. So let's see the disadvantages of the trickling filters. Additional treatment may be needed to meet more stringent discharge standards. Yeah, and possible accumulation of excessive biomass that cannot retain an aerobic condition and can impair trickling filter performance. Yeah, it can affect the performance of the trickling filter. Maximum biomass thickness is controlled by hydraulic dosage rate, type of media, type of organic matter, temperature, and nature of the biological growth. And also it requires regular operator attention. Incidence of clogging is relatively high, so we should not let the clogging like to continue the clogging. It should be the operator should have a proper attention over it. So like it should not he should not allow it for much clogging. Then it requires low loading depending on the medium. And like it is its flexibility and control are limited in comparison with the activated sludge processes. Vector and odor problems, snail problems, like as it is a organic and aerobic, snails will arise, and also it will not give a good odor for the workers who work there. Now let us come to the design criteria of the trickling filter. A trickling filter consists of a permeable medium made of a bedrock, slag, or plastic over which wastewater is distributed to trickle through, as shown in the figure. See, like as show we can see in the figure, we'll be having uh, a supportive grill undrained system. Then there will be a bed. We'll check it over here. Yeah, that rock or slag beds can be up to 60.96 meter, like it is 200 feet in diameter, and 0.9 to 2.4 meters, 3 to 8 feet deep, with the rock size varying from 2.5 to 10.2 centimeters. Most rock media provide approximately 149 meters square per meter cube, like 15 square feet per cubic feet, or cubic feet we can say, of surface area, and less than 40% white space. Packed plastic filters on the other hand are smaller in diameters. It's like very typical design. These filters look more like towers. Yeah, like this will look cylindrical type of towers with the media in various configurations. Example, vertical flow, cross flow, or various random packages. Research has shown that cross flow media may offer better flow distribution than other media, especially at a low organic loads. When comparing vertical media with the 60-degree cross-flow media, the vertical media provide a nearly equal distribution of wastewater, minimizing potential pluging at higher organic loads, better than cross flow media. Yeah, this like in some cases we can say, when the comparing vertical media with the 60-degree cross flow, the vertical media provide a nearly equal distribution of wastewater, minimizing potential pluging at higher organic loads, better than the cross flow media. So the plastic medium also required additional provisions, including ultraviolet protection, additive on the top layer of the plastic medium filter, and increased plastic wall thickness for medium packs that are installed in the lower section of the filter where loads increases. So here we can see, so the filter media, so here it is a filter media, like as we said, it will be cylindrical or in the tower shaped. So here it is the inlet pipe. In when the inlet pipe, like as we have seen earlier, there will be vertical flow and a cross flow. So it is there will be a retaining wall surrounding over it, and so the like we can normally say the design of a trickling filter system for a waste water also includes a distributor system. Rotary hydraulic distribution is usually standard for this process, but fixed nozzle distributors are also being used in square or rectangular reactors. Overall, fixed nozzle distributors are being limited to small facilities and packed and like package plants. Recently, some distributors have been equipped with motorized units to control their speed. Distributors can be set up to be mechanically driven at all times or during stalled conditions. I would like to thank Miss Asha Arvikar Madam for giving us such an opportunity to present our topics in this way. Thank you.